Okay, I decided to work on the passenger seat. There's a section of the leather that's separating at the seam, so I decided to remove the seat altogether so I can get access to it. You have to remove the front two bolts on the seat rails first, and then that allows you to slide the seat all the way forward so you have access to the rear two bolts. And then once you do that, the seat will just come out. There's no connectors attached to the bottom of the seat. And then that'll give you access to the bottom. And there's a series of round metal rings that you have to detach or remove. You have to separate them and then detach them. They hold the seat to the frame. And then also the leather is attached to the frame via these tabs that you have to pull back or bend back and then pull the leather over the tabs. And then once you've done all that, that'll allow the bottom cushion to come out. And then once you have it out, you can separate the cover from the foam cushion. I think normally it's glued, but mine was relatively easy to take apart. So the section that was separating is actually torn at the stitch. So I don't know how to fix this. So I'm going to take it to a professional next week to see if they can fix it. And then I worked on a couple other miscellaneous things. This is the AC heater blower switch. And I noticed it was corroded, so I wanted to clean it up. And after removing these connectors, I noticed a couple of the tabs were loose, so I'm going to have to try to repair that. If I can't, then I'll have to buy that part. It's about $110 or so. And then the temperature control switch was fine for the most part. Didn't look that bad, so hopefully that's still good. And then I finished today by just vacuuming this area since I had access to it. After this, I'll work on the radio and install 2 new speakers in the back.